Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be understanding how we can insert table inside an HTML document. So let's get started. We can create tables inside an HTML file, and we'll see how to create a table inside HTML. Sometimes you have to organize your data, so you have to give it in the form of tables. And as everybody knows that table consists of rows and columns, and at each individual and intersection of row and column is known as a cell. So for when you create a table, you give the table tag, start with table, end with table. Then you will first create rows, tr table row. See, you will create row, and inside you will be creating the columns, td/td. So basically, how many rows this table would have? One row, two tr, three rows, and each row is having three columns and three columns. TD is table data. It will create each individual column and will put this data inside. This 15 will come first row, first column 15. First row, second column 15. Here, from here it will get this. First row, third column 30, right here. Okay, so that's how you give. You first have to make a row, then define the table data, means the columns you have to tell and give the values that you want to display, and then you go on further like this. This is the main table how you made. You can see that there is no border around. For giving border you have a special command that we'll learn later. We can also give heading to the tables, and like this, the th tag. Th means table heading. It is same as td tag, but the only difference is that the heading would appear bold and like a heading. Otherwise td and th are same. They'll create a column, write the text, but see this, if you see Saturday and Sunday is bold in the form of heading. Why? Because we have given in th. Spanning column, another thing is that you can do is, there are sometimes in situations you have to span your row to multiple columns. For that we will be using the tag or the attribute of call span is equal to 2. What we have done, one row, first row, second row, third row. The first row, the first th/th is empty. You can see there is nothing displayed. Column is created but nothing is displayed. Then we have four more columns, 1 2 3 4, right here. These four columns are created in first row. Okay, and the fifth column is this first one, which is empty, no text. Now we are done up till here. Another row is created. Alright, it's done. Then we have another th and td, and we are going to be doing this one. Okay, this tr/tr, another row is created. Then we have th, Monday comes right here. Then we have geography, but geography is spanning to two columns. So here you can see geography, it is spanning to these two columns, 9 a.m., 10 a.m., right? We have math and art, it would come normally. Then third row is created. Third row is created right here. The first column th will come like this. Then the second column, they are saying it will span to three columns. So see, gym is spanning to 1, 2 and 3 columns. That's how you can span a row to multiple columns. Then again, spanning rows. If you want your column to span to multiple rows, you can use row span. For that we have here first row, 4 columns. You can see the first column is empty. Then we have ABC, BBC, CNN. These three normally, no issue, same. Second row is created. Then table heading is given. It is coming right here, table heading. Then we have next row, next column, movie, but it is spanning to 2 rows. So what's happening here? Movie is spanning to 2 rows. These 2 rows. It is spanning to these 2 rows. Okay. Then TD comedy comes here. TD news comes right here. Okay, news here. Then we have another columns and rows, same like how you do. So this is how you create tables, and you can also give width to the table. That's, see, table border, you can give border, border color, anything you can give, and right here you can also give in the columns the different colors and so on. These about border and colors and different things. You can